All right, guys. So I'm gonna do this post recap for the day. I'm in Ecuador. I got into the lodge. I finished my climb, but there is something very important I want to talk about: the MVIS and GME. These are Wall Street Bets plays, and I want to have some talk about the risk management on this stuff. So Wall Street Bet is a huge forum. It's about 2 million people are in there, and they come up with these stocks and they say buy, buy, buy. And usually they find these stocks that are really heavily shorted. And a lot of our members are in there. And if any one of you are in there and you have any comments, put it in the feedback. Any feedback, put it in the comments. And I actually like to know how it works because I'm not in there. So what happens is these shorter squeezes, the stocks like Microvision, MVIS, or GME or AMC that we had in January, you got to be really careful trading them because these moves are really, really huge. And if you get a stock into the wrong side of the trade, you can easily blow up your account. And that's, like a $10 move, 60% up on MVIS. This is just a very, very dangerous, thing if you want to get a stock short. In the morning, we traded that in the chat room. I took a 1 minute opening range break up, 5 minute opening range break up on it. Cut a move from 20 to 21, and then we got to move another one from 21 to 23. Brian cut a really nice move from 20 to 22. But after that, I was done. But I did mention that in the chat that this might go in the afternoon for the break of all-time high. And usually, a consolidation happens. And, if you really don't lose the VWAP, it's going to go up. And as you see, MVIS really in the afternoon around 2 p.m. it picked up, went all the way up toward 24.19, which is the all-time high, and all the way to the close, which is, what time is the close? Let me put this one here, market close line. Yeah, so as you see, all the way to the close, it went to 27, 28, and then after hours up. So tomorrow, this is going to be in play. I might not be able to trade it tomorrow, depending on the internet connection here. But what I want to tell you is that don't get stuck in their short. This can go up to 100 because these huge orders are coming and the shorts are getting a squeeze, and no one really dares to stand in front of these bulls from Wall Street Bet. So you got to be really, really careful. You can blow up your account. You can get a margin call on them if you stick stuck on their short. Definitely risk management is really important. I would definitely play to the long side. I wouldn't play to the short side, even if I have shares for short. I don't have it now, but in the morning we had it through Interactive Brokers. Right now we don't have it. Maybe they stopped shorting it because of risk management. Sometimes the brokers do that. So you got to be really, really careful on that. This Wall Street Bet is going to come. That's the genie's out of the lamp. And, even there are some investigations by authorities, but, they can't put this genie back in the lamp. Every month we're going to see these huge small traders pushing these highly shorted stocks, and we can benefit from that. I love trading MVIS. It is so clean. You could see the level 2 really nicely. The pattern was really nice, and you really couldn't go wrong trading that. But the most important thing is, guys, do not stock in their short. This can go to 500 or 1,000. Nobody knows. So don't blow up your account. Small share size. You don't need a big share size. Like, with a couple of thousand, you can, a couple of thousand shares, or even a couple of hundred shares, you can make $1,000, $2,000, and that's enough. Don't try to, fix the whole, your trading thing just one day. Don't YOLO there. Don't you live it only once. If any of you guys are in Wall Street Bets, I'd really like to know how it goes. And if you guys can put in the comments that how it works and what are they looking at, what's the price target that they have. Maybe they say hold the line until 100. So maybe this one goes to 100. But definitely after hour is up. GME is also up. So GME was another Wall Street Bet that everyone remembered that back in January went all the way up to 500, and now it seems that it's really back. So the Wall Street people are on it, and you got to be really careful and respect them. Respect these Wall Street Bet traders. Right now GMEs after hours are going to up to 200. I know Jared is going to trade it tomorrow. I never really traded GME that much because it's the price range for me. Under 100 is really good. So risk management, don't get stuck in their short. Don't say, oh, this is too high, because this can continue going high. If you want to short it, you have to look into the weakness into the longer time frame, like in 15-minute chart. If it starts, you see doji and weakness on that. So be careful. GME is actually shortable by IB, so you got to be really, really careful trading it. Anyway, so we are in this for treat. I love trading MVIS this morning because it was just amazingly traded. I mean, I was climbing it and I didn't want to hold anything overnight or just on the mood, but I kind of knew it was going to go up because based on the price action, the bulls were really running. And, you know, it's the balance of the power. When you see something like that, who dares to short? And when nobody shorts, the price is going up. You know, that's the whole short squeeze is, you know. The highly overpriced stocks become insanely overpriced because now all the shorts have to cover, or they don't dare to add to their shorts. So be careful on that, and we're gonna see tomorrow. And I'm in Cotopaxi Lodge in Ecuador. You can see actually the Cotopaxi behind. It's in the cloud. And all the best, guys. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow morning. Muchas gracias.